Hi, I'm Atula. I'm a senior design researcher in the Government of Canada, and I just felt like these last 3 days were amazing because I couldn't even choose from the variety of workshops and sessions. I felt like I was a kid in a candy shop. So here's to more.
I met some new people who I'm looking forward to collaborating with in the future. I saw some fantastic keynotes. I regret that I will miss the one that's happening tonight because I have to leave early, but I'm impressed.
This is the only second conference I've been to, and so I went to MAKE, and then coming here and seeing people that I met at MAKE and evolving those relationships, that's been awesome. So, and I think really, I don't know, Rich, like I don't know, I feel like I made some friends from this conference.
I really enjoyed the conference, and my session is yet to happen, but what was the most fascinating thing was the format that you pulled out, which made me want to apply for it. And the fact that you had equity scholarships allowed me to be here. I think the activities and workshops have been very interesting, and your keynotes have been very informative and inspiring. So it's been a good conference.
All those of you that missed it, you can try to live vicariously through social media and the pictures and videos and stories, and being here live is best. The people, the food, the maize and blue everywhere. It was lovely. Well done.
Oh, the conference has been great. It's been really interesting. I think it's the most international conference in terms of attendees that I've ever personally attended.
It's been amazing. I can't say I'm often like in spaces that I think truly challenge me, and then that give me the opportunity to be around a lot of folks that I have a lot of affinity with in our practices, the way that we create and work in community and with folks. But specifically, people kept talking about how infographics, the idea of infographics as weapons. And I think people were just really excited and felt energized.
It's going well. I just have to say thanks, everyone. Like, I hope that you really enjoyed the conference, and it was like an intense teamwork, but we made it, and it was for you. So I hope you really enjoyed it. Thank you.